If you want simple and flexible ways to earn extra cash from home through tasks like testing websites, freelancing, or reviewing music, watch this video until the end. Platform number 1. Usertesting.com. Explore these excellent platforms that can help you earn money online, starting with usertesting.com. This platform connects businesses with testers to gather valuable feedback on their apps, websites, and digital products, helping companies enhance the user experience. As a tester, you'll be tasked with completing specific activities while sharing your thoughts and observations out loud. This feedback plays a crucial role in improving the functionality and design of these products. The process is simple and only requires a computer, smartphone, or tablet with a microphone, and sometimes a webcam, depending on the task. Each test typically takes about 20 minutes to complete, with a payment of $10 per task, which means you could earn a reasonable hourly rate. If you're selected for a live interview session, your pay can range between $30 and $120, depending on the session's length and complexity. These live sessions offer an even higher earning potential, making it a great opportunity for anyone looking to boost their income and make the most out of their time. Additionally, usertesting.com offers a streamlined payment process, with earnings sent directly to your PayPal account, typically within a week of completing the task. This makes it a convenient and reliable way to receive payments for your time and feedback. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle, an easy way to earn some extra money, or just a platform where you can share your opinions, usertesting.com is a simple and accessible option to help you make money online. It offers a straightforward way to get paid for providing feedback on websites and apps, making it perfect for anyone looking to earn some cash on the side. With its user-friendly approach and multiple earning opportunities, it's an excellent choice for those looking to earn money from the comfort of their home. Platform number 2. FreeCash. Another fantastic option is FreeCash, an app that provides a wide range of ways to earn money. You can complete tasks, play games, sign up for apps, and participate in surveys, all for cash rewards. The amount you can earn varies depending on the task's complexity, with potential earnings ranging from less than $1 to over $20 per task. For example, I recently completed a task through the app that paid nearly $20. FreeCash offers great flexibility in how you receive your earnings, allowing you to choose from options like PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and other available methods. What makes FreeCash even more appealing is its accessibility. It's available in many countries, making it an excellent choice for users worldwide looking to earn extra income during their free time. If you're at home or out and about, FreeCash makes it easy to turn everyday tasks into real money. You can earn cash by doing simple things like taking surveys, trying out new apps, or playing games. It's a great way to make extra money no matter where you are or what you're doing. Platform number 3. Prime Opinion. Prime Opinion is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a simple way to earn money online. This platform focuses on offering paid surveys where you can make money by answering questions on various topics. Although most surveys tend to pay less than $1, they are quick and easy to complete, making it a convenient option for those looking to earn some extra cash in their spare time. What makes Prime Opinion stand out is the variety of payment options it offers. You can choose to receive your earnings through PayPal, bank transfers, or even gift cards, allowing you to select the method that works best for you. This flexibility makes Prime Opinion particularly appealing, as you don't have to worry about complicated payment processes. Even with the lower payout per survey, Prime Opinion offers a steady stream of opportunities to earn money consistently, making it an ideal platform for anyone looking to supplement their income with minimal effort. If you're waiting for the bus, taking a short break at work, or just relaxing at home, you can easily take a few minutes to complete surveys and earn some extra money with Prime Opinion. It's a simple way to make use of small moments during your day and turn them into cash without any hassle. Platform number 4, Upwork and Fiverr. For freelancers looking to expand their career, Upwork and Fiverr are two of the top platforms to consider. Both platforms provide an easy and smooth connection between professionals and clients who need a variety of services, such as graphic design, writing, digital marketing, programming, virtual assistants, and more. The earnings you can make on these sites can vary significantly depending on factors like your experience, skill level, and the type of service you're offering. Freelancers on Upwork and Fiverr can expect to earn anywhere from $5 for smaller, simpler tasks to several $1,000s for larger, more complex projects. These platforms are ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals, offering plenty of opportunities to build a portfolio, find clients, and establish long-term working relationships. One of the key benefits of Upwork and Fiverr is the flexibility they provide when it comes to payment. Both platforms offer convenient payment options, including direct bank transfers and PayPal, ensuring you can easily access your earnings no matter where you are. If you're looking for a way to earn extra money on the side or trying to build a full-time freelance career, these platforms give you all the tools and opportunities you need to achieve your goals and succeed in your work. By joining Upwork or Fiverr, you'll be able to set your own rates, choose the types of projects you want to work on, and ultimately build a rewarding freelance business with the potential for consistent and growing income. Platform number 5. Slice the Pie. Lastly, there's Slice the Pie, a fun and unique platform that allows you to earn money by reviewing music, fashion, and other items. While the pay per review is relatively modest, typically ranging from 2 to 20 cents per review, the platform offers a continuous flow of opportunities, making it a convenient and enjoyable way to earn extra cash in your spare time. If you're passionate about discovering new music, sharing your thoughts on fashion, or offering feedback on various products, Slice the Pie provides a perfect side gig for you. The platform is not only easy to use, but also offers a flexible way to make money by simply sharing your opinions. Since it's available in most English-speaking countries and Germany, Slice the Pie has a broad reach, making it accessible to users around the globe. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra income or simply enjoy listening to music and sharing your opinions, Slice the Pie is a great option for people who love reviewing and discovering new things. So in this video, you have learned that these platforms offer a wide range of opportunities to earn extra income, whether you're testing products, providing freelance services, or sharing your opinions. Each platform brings a unique approach to making money online, catering to various skills, preferences, and goals. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle, a way to earn money from your skills, or just a simple way to make extra cash in your free time, there are plenty of options available for everyone. Take the time to explore these options and choose the one that aligns best with your interests and financial aspirations. The possibilities are endless. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these platforms do you think is the best fit for earning extra income? Are you excited about testing products, completing tasks, offering freelance services, or sharing your opinions? Drop your answers in the comments below and let us know how you plan to take advantage of these opportunities. So the next video might be about earning the best passive income to start in 2025. So stay tuned for more updates.